Before COVID, it was healthy lifestyle was just limited to gym. Even I had this doubt that, is this a fad? Is it just being talked about?
Yeah.
I'm not here to impose veganism, but if you're following it, one, it is good for you, two, it is good for planet, and three, it is good for animals. Unfortunately, the way dairy industry is growing, it is like it's highly cruel and forceful. How much ever it is permissible, by authorities, that is only to increase the shelf life of the product. It doesn't increase your shelf life.
It feels so good to be talking to you. We met last week, and I've been, looking forward to this conversation. Cook Clean is the brand, is the startup that you've started. So tell us, इसका idea कहाँ से आया Cook Clean का?
So Cook Clean, actually it stands for Kitchen You and Kirti's Clean Eating Journey. And that's how I was thinking about a blog name and something to cook clean. And then finally I wanted to insert my name as well. And that's how the whole name came. The blog didn't happen, but in 2018, I started with a Facebook group. The idea came long back when my daughter was born in 2014. She's a preterm child, and I had a very difficult pregnancy. And that's when I thought that there is something wrong. There is something missing because I was never a junk eater. But then why so much suffering? So when all this was happening, I started reading a lot about food and how can I heal myself, how can I take care of my daughter. And that's when I got introduced to something called as plant-based lifestyle. And when I got to know about this plant-based lifestyle, I started reading about it. I met a lot of people, and as a mommy, the first thing that comes in our mind is I need to lose weight. So that was the trigger point, plus health of my child. And I started following this lifestyle, lost 28 kgs of weight. That gave me a motivation that if this is working, and not just the weight, there was problem of constipation, high cholesterol. I
Yes. Can't even make out.
Yes.
We should have a before and after photo.
Yeah, so that was one thing, and I had high cholesterol. During pregnancy, I had preeclampsia, which is like high BP. All this started, curing. I became better and better after going plant-based. And when this miracle happened, I wanted to know more about it, that is it just me or it really works for everyone?
So someone told you about this?
Yes. So I met a lot of people, and then I met my guru, and then it was a continuous journey of like meeting people who are already following and understanding what they are doing. And finally, I also wanted to build an authority in that if I speak about this diet, I need to know that it really works with the backing of studies and research. So that's when I did my course, and I became a certified holistic nutritionist. This happened during COVID, way back in 2020. Like you have nothing else to do, so better upskill yourself. And the Facebook group was going because we were sharing a lot of recipes. Finally, what happened in 21 is when NSR Cell IIM Bangalore launched this program called as WSP, which is Women Startup Program 3. And I pitched my idea of bringing all plant-based food on Cook Clean. So that's how the name was long back, but the idea actually started, and I started making all these healthy food products which are absolutely chemical free, preservative free. And like I say that what I eat is what I sell, and what I sell is what I eat. And also I will not sell anything which I can't give to my daughter. So with that thought process, Cook Clean started. We will not put any chemical or preservative, even though the shelf life of the product would be 3 months. We will increase it with packaging, but we are not going to put preservatives.
Oh, I can see it in your eyes, the purpose. And you can only do this when there is a very strong purpose and motivation to help people also. You can't do something like this otherwise. Now tell me, one of the questions I have, which I also hear, हमारे जो पहले ज़माने में भी लोग कहते थे कि आप होलिस्टिक डाइट कीजिए, कम खाइए मगर सब कुछ खाइए, उस थ्योरी से और जो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विद कुक क्लीन, उसमें कितना फासला है?
if you start seeing things holistically, actually फासला नहीं है. हम over a period of time कुछ चीज़ों में इतना ज़्यादा बन चुके हैं that we have forgotten. So even I had this doubt that, is this a fad? Is it just being talked about?
Yeah.
And I started actually finding people, not just in West, it's not a Western concept, in India, something called as nature cure. So my Guruji, Dr. Arun Sharma and Dr. Gauri Rakum, all these people are in India following these practices from so many years, and they are living such a healthy life. So it is more about fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, and over a period of time they basically focus on reducing the junk, processed, ultra processed food. So it was always there in veganism. We think that it's a very, very Western concept, but you see our dal and chawal, dosa and chutney, and sabzi and roti, everything is vegan only.
Yeah, we didn't have burger and pizza.
Yeah, we didn't have that. So it was already there. It just faded some time back because of maybe the income, because of the global exposure. But then I think again people have started talking about it. It's coming in a very, very different way, but it is coming back. Like people are talking about
And
it.
pandemic, I think in some way forced us to think about
About it. Yes, because we were thinking that everything is,
Okay.
you get medicines and you get cured, but that was not the reality. Like everybody started talking about immunity, everybody started talking about healthy eating. I think before COVID it was healthy lifestyle was just limited to gym, that okay, I will go to gym, work out for so many hours, and I'm healthy. But after COVID there was a lot of focus on food and everybody started talking about it.
So tell me, what is this veganism, and how is it different from vegetarianism?
So veganism is basically, I would say, it's a kind of lifestyle, and more than that, it's for the ethical reason we are respecting animals' life as well, where we are not torturing or we are not taking any product from animals.
Actually, you should talk about this, क्योंकि जो milk हम लोग का होता है, animal milk, it is not that the animals give it generously,
Exactly.
right? We squeeze it out of them.
Right. So the beautiful concept is, which is now gaining popularity, is that किसी भी माँ का दूध उसके बच्चे के लिए होता है, तो आप उस गाय से क्यों छीन रहे हैं? That's the concept. And unfortunately, the way dairy industry is growing, it is like it's highly cruel and forceful. That is why there is like a lot of activism and lot of like people are opposing to it. But when you take the health aspect of it, like when you are going vegan, you are basically focusing on eating lot of fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds, minimally processed food, which Mother Nature is already giving it to you. Then that's the health aspect, and it has good results on human being. Lot of research have shown that. So when you are talking about being vegetarian, then you are including a lot of animal byproducts like milk, doodh, dahi, ghee, paneer, dairy, all basically all dairy
ये
products,
सबका
honey.
alternative है,
सारी चीज़ों का alternative है.
दही का भी.
Dahi ka, like I use this peanut curd. You cannot make out the difference when you make peanut curd, say kadhi, or when you make your raita. And cow's milk or buffalo milk are just 2-3 options. Any grain you can actually make a milk. You can make ragi milk, soy milk, then coconut milk, almond milk, cashew milk, rice milk. How many milk names do you want me to give?
But I have to ask you this, Kirti, क्योंकि हम लोग बचपन से we grow up with a certain habit, so that becomes very intrinsically part of us. How much time does it take to change into plant-based?
You have to be clear with your why. For example, my why was that I need to keep my daughter healthy, I need to understand this science, and I need to lose weight. So I had like 2 months of time and I was losing weight every single week.
Really?
Yeah, so I lost like 8 kgs straight in 8 weeks of time.
What
now,
were you doing? Okay, now let's focus on those 8 weeks. What did you
Okay.
exactly do?
So first thing was like, sometimes like you need to believe. When we are becoming very, very logical and we question everything, which is good. Now I'm not asking you not to question, but sometimes you have to just believe that this is going to happen. So when I started following this, then it was like, okay, let me do this, whatever is being talked about in plant-based, leave dairy, fine. I left it. And like with the snap, I left it, okay. And the first thing which happened was the bloating and constipation that went off. So that was always there. So I am like, heavy, I am from North India, heavy on dairy. And it just went off. I started focusing a lot on eating fruits and vegetables and all kinds of vegetable. When you stop seeing paneer, then you actually start seeing that there are many more vegetables in a supermarket or, at a sabzi wala's place. So I started picking up that, started making. Trust me, before this, I had no interest in cooking. Just because I wanted to make healthy food for myself and for my daughter, I started cooking. Otherwise, it's okay, the same sabzi, which is, aloo gobi ki sabzi bana li ya fir bhindi ki sabzi bana li. This is how it used to be. But when I became plant-based, I actually started exploring my kitchen and the benefit it can provide, the ingredients. And that is how it started off.
But I forget the name of the guy, but I was reading his book where after 40, he changed his life, and he's one of the few people in the world who at a later stage in his life started into athletics and everything, and he turned into a vegan, and that enhanced his energy and his life and his aging, reversed aged him and all that. So yeah, so there are a lot of examples.
There are a lot of examples, and like there are a lot of books. So there's Dr. Michael Greger. His book is How Not to Die. Then there is one book called as The Plant-Based Athlete, which you were talking about, right? So this book actually talks about all these athletes who are now going plant-based and still they are thriving. In fact, the rate of recovery after a sports is much more faster when you are on a plant-based lifestyle, because the inflammation doesn't happen so much and you can recover faster.
Yeah, so that's again a very interesting point you mentioned, is that inflammation and plant-based. So with other dairy products, the inflammation in the body is high, right? And the gut gets affected.
Gut gets affected. Our gut bacteria, which are there, they are dying because we are not consuming all these fruits and vegetables, which are actually acting as a prebiotic, not the probiotic. You get probiotic from curds, whereas what is prebiotic? Your all green leafy vegetables, when you're consuming them raw, then they actually get into your system and they help your gut bacteria to thrive. And when this happens, of course, the gut health would be good. So this all is now being talked about, but the wisdom was always there. For example, our ragi kanji, which we make, what is that exactly? It's the fermented food. Now, when you eat that, it actually helps your gut bacteria to thrive. So all these wisdom was already there in Indian cooking over a period of time, thanks to globalization, thanks to the rising income. And we just went ahead and started eating the food which I would not even call as food.
It's so sad, no? We make money to take care of ourselves and
yes.
the
and
chase
then
of money.
finally we eat all that and then we fall sick. So
Yeah.
it's like a pattern. So it has to break somewhere.
Yeah. And you brought a very beautiful point on your 8-week journey of losing weight. We were just talking to Dr. Ranjan Shetty, and he said that when, people are going for surgery, he's seen, is that when they believe that they will be all right, they believe in the doctor,
Yeah.
they believe, तो वो एकदम सही हो जाता है, complicated case भी. और जब doubt रहता है, तो more often than not, they succumb to the...
Right.
Yeah.
So when I run this program, so I run these lifestyle programs where I help people to, I don't claim that, lose weight in 5 days. These claims are also very, very unrealistic. Yes. Because people start expecting too much from themselves and then they feel bad about it. So when I run these programs, I tell that I am trying to change your lifestyle, which is good for your complete life. Like it's a sustainable change. So you need to wait, watch, believe in it, and then start moving in that direction. Things will happen, because every person, all the clients who come to me, can you give me a weight loss in 10 days? I need to go for a marriage. It doesn't happen like that. Yes, it will.
We all want it.
Yeah, so it's like, yes, it will happen. You need to believe, 2, you need to put in effort, but you cannot be unrealistic to yourself, right? Then you are not Actually changing your diet, diet or the lifestyle, you are actually dieting and you're starving. That's why the word diet, moment it comes, what is the subconscious mind says that, oh, I'm going to starve, I'm not going to get food. Most of the people, what they will say, I am on a diet, which means after 10 days or 20 days, I will again go back to the same old food. Whereas I call plant based as a lifestyle. So when I run this program, I say that we are going to change your lifestyle for good. The recent example is one of my client has undergone a surgery and then she wanted to go plant based. She's from Goa. Imagine fish being the main dish. And I said, and when you are undergoing surgery, you have already undergone, there is so much which is happening. Yeah. People are ready to change. And she said that, okay, let me try what you're saying. And I said that just give me 2 months time, then only I can prove. Now, if you keep questioning me, questioning is not a problem. But if you keep doubting me, I would not be able to give you the best. Yeah. So day one, week one, I said, can you leave, for 2 months at least, leave dairy, leave non-veg and see the difference. If you feel good, then it's your choice. You are adult enough to take a decision. She has already lost like 6-7 kgs weight and she's feeling good. She is feeling young. What else do you want? Now, after 2 months, it is up to you what you want to do, right? So I'm not here to impose veganism, but if you're following it, 1, it is good for you, 2, it is good for planet, and 3, it is good for animals. You are actually saving them. You are actually saving the earth from global warming, because the amount of to raise these animals, animal livestock, it takes so much land, and we are cutting all the forest.
Oh, I'm a firm believer.
Yeah, so we...
Pandemic was also about our misuse,
exactly,
right? It came from animal. Yeah.
So we need to think about it. We need to change, make changes on the plate, and the world will change. You don't have to, go out and change so much. First, change your plates.
We think about when it comes to changing our, lifestyle, diet, food, we always think about weight, fitness. But I also think that it adds a lot to the mental fitness and emotional. Emotion is so linked to the food, right?
Right. So I will not comment on that because I'm not the, person who is into mental health, but I'll share my story. Way back, when I was in my corporate job, I was aggressive to an extent that
I can't believe that.
React to everything, fight with everyone.
No,
yeah.
I can't believe it.
So, for everything, now that I don't say that I have become a saint and, everything has changed in my life. All they sound very marketing gimmick kind of thing, but I can sense that there is little bit of groundness, there is little bit of calmness. People who have known me way back before 2014 versus now, they feel that there is a difference. And this difference has just, has come because of the food. Because still I'm on the journey of understanding the mental well-being and, emotionally you get hurt and you don't know. But way back when I used to get emotionally hurt, it used to hurt a lot. Now the duration has reduced. Hopefully, when I move forward few more years, that would also go. So it's a journey for me. Even the food and, everything is a journey. People take it as a destination. I need to lose weight in 10 days and then finally, this is done, then let me do. No, it's an ongoing journey. I have to make sure that I'm eating good, healthy food every single day. I have to put that investment in me every single day to get good results. So first was, of course, the first thing which happened was weight loss, and my physical health changed. I would seriously share that before and after picture, because when I look at it, I feel wow. Like that's the story which I actually, I was given a 2-minute pitch to give a pitch in NSR Cell. And that's the story that I gave.
You didn't have to, you just have to show the photo.
Yeah, so no, I just said that, that was me. And the story, how I portrayed the story was that Kareena Kapoor, she can just become size 0, like within few weeks. And we take so much of time. So there is something, She worked on it. She has focused on her food. She has focused on her lifestyle and this
And we all say,
food.
people like us
Yeah.
will say, अरे वो तो करीना
उसके
कपूर,
कपूर
उसका
है,
तो
उसको
life
तो हाँ
है,
ऐसा है, वो
she
कर
has all the
लेगी,
resources.
राइट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तो
है।
वही तो मुझे भी यही था
होगा,
कि
but हमारे पास भी है.
हमारे पास भी है, तो वही तो मुझे भी यही, मतलब दैट होल थिंग. बट when I was losing, I became, actually, I don't want to boast of, but I actually became Kareena Kapoor of my apartment. People used to turn and ask me, तुम कर क्या रही हो? And I just smiled, क्योंकि मुझे अभी तक मैं वहाँ तक पहुँची नहीं थी. तो it started reflecting on my face first, and slowly I shed all the weight. That was one part, the starting part. But uske baad jo impact hua, that was just amazing. And that's what in the pitch I said, that now my mom says that you look like Kareena Kapoor. I'm like, okay, wow, that's a compliment. Because as a child, I was always on a chubbier side. Moment I used to like sit and happily start eating during summer vacations, I used to put on weight. Because there was something which was not correct.
Yeah.
Now I could maintain it. Maintaining weight, losing weight is just one part of it, but maintaining it without putting too much of effort and, oh, I'm on a diet and I can't do this, I can't eat that. That hatred, love-hatred relationship between your food, that will stop if you are eating a good healthy food every day and you just form few principles.
I can see that glow, that natural glow in you. Yes,
Thank you,
it's
thank
very,
you.
very obvious. And, but that brings me to one question which many people watching us may have, is that अगर हम vegan खाएंगे तो हम कुछ nutrition deficiency होगा, किसी चीज़ की कमी होगी.
ऐसा अगेन दिस इज़ लाइक लोगों ने सोच लिया है, मीडिया में बहुत सारा बोल देते हैं कि ऐसा होगा, ये नहीं मिलेगा. सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोटीन. मोमेंट एनीबडी अप्रोचेज मी, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम बीइंग आस्क्ड इज, वेयर विल आई गेट माई प्रोटीन्स फ्रॉम एंड वेयर विल आई गेट माई कैल्शियम फ्रॉम. नाउ नंबर वन, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेट लिफ्टर्स, marathon runners, cyclists who are thriving on a vegan diet. That means they are doing something to get their proteins. So that is one thing. The second thing is, you can actually get proteins from all the dals, pulses, legume, tofu, peanut butter, almond butter. There's like whole range of things. Only thing what happens is, let's talk about little bit of scientific, I'll go. Like the rice and dal, we don't eat it individually. Rice has one amino acid, essential amino acid, and dal has another essential amino acid. When you combine both of them, it actually becomes the complete protein. Whereas when you drink milk, it gives you one glass mein you might get complete protein. Yeah, you are getting complete protein, right? But in a plant-based lifestyle, you just need to combine these things. But every time we eat dal and chawal only, right? We don't gulp rice in one meal and dal in one meal. So how beautifully, one, the nature has given things. Two, our grannies had that wisdom without even knowing all the nutrition science. So this was always there. It's just that we are forgetting. So you get your proteins from all dals, pulses, legumes. Sprout has like 24-gram protein. What else do you want? People, put so much whey protein and protein shakes and protein powders, which are not natural. They are isolates. And you can get it from Sprout. Now the second question comes is calcium. Ragi has more calcium than a glass of milk. So it's like 3 times more calcium. So you get from there. Then our drumstick leaves, which was grown at our backyard, and we never valued it.
Yeah.
Now the moringa capsules are coming and everybody is paying. But yeah, just go and pull out that leaves and make some sabzi, you are getting calcium.
मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था moringa जो कहते हैं इतना exotic moringa capsules and all is basically
it's our drumstick. And those leaves and the vegetable, both of them are so rich in calcium. Ragi is so rich. Karnataka has so much ragi. And that's why like last year, because of the International Year of Millet, all millets they are whole. So they have all the nutrient that can be provided. Then people think about omega-3. All chia seed, flax seed, hemp seed, walnuts, all will provide you omega-3. You don't have to just eat a fish to get omega-3. So you will get, you just need to search. Nature would not be so partial to you that it will not give you one ingredient which you needed. Now vitamin D, people talk about it. All you have to do is go out, sit in the sun, and the body will generate it. But unfortunately, we don't do that. So
Yeah, so in Bangalore, so everyone is deficient in
yeah,
vitamin D.
because we don't do that. Then again, B12 is a concern. So B12 is like, people are not even vegan, but even the vegetarian and non-vegetarian people are now B12 deficient. It's not just that because you are vegan you're B12 deficient, it's because we are eating so much junk food that it is killing our gut bacteria. Now we start eating good, wholesome food, which means coming from plants and Mother Nature, your B12 would be absolutely fine. Since we are living in this urban, universe or the urban cities, getting water from streams, dirting your hand in the mud, and even the air, nothing is so pure now. That's why ideally it is recommended even for vegans as well as non-vegans to consume your B12 supplements. So
Yeah.
these are the two things, vitamin D and B12. That is more because of the modern lifestyle than actually because you are vegan or non-vegan.
Yeah. I have to tell you, Kirti, that my great grandfather, he lived till 102, 103,
Yeah.
and he never ate anything. He ate
Yeah.
very simple chawal and dal,
Yeah.
and didn't eat after the sunset.
Right.
That's the only thing he did.
He did.
And he was walking till 101, 102.
Right.
So there is something very logical, deep, and real
Right.
in
In all the what old people, my granny is now 85. She's still working and she's doing everything in the household, right? And the simple thing is वही दाल चावल, कोई fancy कुछ नहीं खा रहे हैं वो, वही दाल
वही
चावल
वेस्ट से
सब्जी.
अगर आएगा ना, लोग बोलेंगे तो हम सब सुनेंगे.
हाँ,
But
बट हम जब हमारी दादी बोलेंगी कुछ तो वी विल थिंक दैट इट्स सो ओल्ड फैशन. जैसे ये हमारे जो मोरिंगा की सब्जी बन गई, तो पहले हमने सबने नाक मुंह भौं बनाया उसको देख करके कि इट्स नॉट गुड लुकिंग. नाउ व्हेन दैट सेम थिंग इज कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर, देन वी गो परचेज बाय एंड देन वी ईट.
what is the Hindi of drumstick?
आई थिंक सहजन सहजन का पत्ता एंड सहजन की स्टिक आती है, वही दैट यू कुक.
And that is moringa also.
That is moringa, that
Wow.
is drumstick.
What is the one big misconception about veganism that you've heard?
One, people believe that it's expensive. And two, like you also asked that, will you get all the nutrients or not?
Yeah.
So people believe that, veganism is very expensive, it's fancy, it's only for people, rich people. But dal chawal to vegan hi hai na. So now if you want to make things fancy, even the non-veg would become expensive, right? If you buy highly processed food, which has a branding, which has everything, it will become expensive, right? But the basic dal chawal is not so expensive. Like, it is not expensive. So that is also vegan food only. And like the products that I am making, again, when there is too much of processing, there is so much factory involved in it, then the cost is going to go up. And the second thing which we have to think is that one is veganism, vegetarian and non-veg. We are not talking about ultra processed and highly processed food, which means you are adding so much additives and chemicals and preservative, which your body doesn't understand. How much ever it is permissible, by authorities, that is only to increase the shelf life of the product. It doesn't increase your shelf life. It's going to decrease your shelf life because you are eating these chemicals which were never meant for human beings. You have an apple, or you have like my products, they have 30 days shelf life, the laddus. If I make this laddu by putting preservative, I can increase the shelf life to maybe
3 months, 2 months.
no more, maybe like 2 years also. Lot of products can be increased to 1 year at least. Now that's the decision that we have to take, that do I want to increase the shelf life of my product, or do I want to increase the shelf life of my customers who trust me?
Wow. What do you have to say, that what can we do to genuinely live a full, rich, healthy, active life?
Active life, yeah. So one thing is that genetics, yes, they play a lot of role, right? So one example which we are taught is like, people say that because my side family has a diabetic history, so I am going to get that. Now, yes, the diabetes, that genes might be transferred to you, but it's like a loaded gun, which if you don't trigger by your unhealthy lifestyle, there are high chances that you will not get it. So the people, the life expectancy has increased because of the medicine and all these things. People are living longer, but the question is, are they living healthier and happier? That will only happen if you are eating good food, clean food, and if you are actually happy in those last few years of your life.
Yeah.
That why so there is a concept that as you age, that means sufferings तो होंगी. ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स कहाँ से आ गए हैं पता नहीं. पहले के लोग तो इतना सफ़र नहीं करते थे. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट डेथ, like I do talk about in my sessions, and when I talk about this thing, there is like complete silence,
Which is the only reality.
yeah,
in
which
life.
is the only reality. Now when you are why death has to come with the suffering. You can go without suffering also, and maybe I also, like I am now using this platform, I would want to go with lot of peace, because as we believe that it's a life after this also, so I would want to go very peacefully to another journey. It would be much more better, or I don't know, but it would be another beautiful journey. So why, when I have to leave this place, why so much suffering? So you can actually reduce that suffering if you're eating, if you're living a healthy life. Now, eating is just one part of it. Your exercise, your mental well-being, your spiritual thought process, all this stage by stage.
But there's
has
a very beautiful thing you are saying, Kirti, क्योंकि अगर हम food इतना important है, क्योंकि अगर हम food सही ढंग से खाए तो हमारा spiritual journey भी सही होगा.
Easy हो
We can
जाता है.
meditate longer,
Yeah.
because all these, like I'm these days very deeply pursuing this Vedanta philosophy, and there was that Ramakrishna Paramahansa for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days went into samadhi, and he was being fed. Someone just came and saw that, oh, he's like, give him little bit of food. So little bit of food is also very nourishing for our spirit.
Right.
We don't have to
you,
overeat.
you don't overeat, you don't even need that much. So what is the concept of fasting, right? When you are fasting, so as per Nature Cure, when you are fasting, you are actually connecting to spiritual world, and you are connecting to yourself, your inner self, right? Now what happens is, unfortunately, we made fasting again a
Fad.
festival and a feast. That okay, whole day you fast, and at the end of the day you eat everything under the sun. Like there will be kheer, there will be puri.
You double eat.
Yeah, you double
Because
eat, which
you
is
didn't starve yourself,
yeah. So
and all that.
that is what happens. Like every time there is a fasting, then there is a feast. You don't feast after fast. You just say thank you to God that you gave me a courage to fast that day, and let me just what to say,
Live
be
in that,
thankful,
yes.
and next day I can start eating. But no, I've seen a lot of people fast means आज हमने ये fast रखा है, शाम को हमें बहुत सारा खाना है. So the spiritual connection there, that is why in our culture that every fast was associated with some festival or some devi or guru, and we appreciate that
And it's
person that
also a
day.
natural cleansing
Yeah,
process.
it was associated so that we remember, but unfortunately over a period of time,
We remember कि fast के बाद खाना
खाना क्या है.
आज,
So-
आज का क्या scene है रात में.
Right. So that is what happens. So fasting, if you do in a proper way, which means that you're not eating, then you break your fast maybe with a tender coconut water or simple water, and then at the night you just have steamed vegetable or a vegetable soup or a vegetable khichdi, and then next day you continue. That whole day is actually you're giving break to the digestion process, and your body is healing. So that's the best healing medicine that you can give to your body.
What do you think they experience? What are some of the challenges they experience while changing from whatever they are doing to a vegan lifestyle?
So again, like I say, that this is first you have to be very clear why do you want to do it. Now people come with lot of number one, apprehension, but lot of them are clear that because now I have a surgery, I want to become better, or I want to lose weight, or this is my problem, I want to solve my allergies. So okay, little bit of why is clear. Then you need a hand holding, because the world around you is eating the so-called normal food, and what we are eating is considered as abnormal in the normal world, right? Oh, ये तो हमेशा diet ही करती रहती है. That's like now permanent tag which is given to me that you are always on a diet. Whereas I feel that I'm eating good food which is nourishing my body and soul, and I'm happy about it. I don't have to consume every day all the so called normal food which is all around us. So, one, your why has to be clear. Two, you definitely need hand holding, because during that journey, somebody needs to keep telling you it's okay. You're not going
Eating
wrong.
also too much is addiction.
Yeah, it's an addiction because you're emotionally eating. You don't,
Yeah.
you're just eating for the sake of eating. Your body doesn't need it. Your just brain is, asking for it. Like recently I made a reel on coffee and tea. What is that? It's an addiction. 4 बजते ही हमें कॉफ़ी चाहिए होती है क्योंकि दिमाग बोल रहा है, शरीर को नहीं चाहिए कभी. And see how the conversation has also changed. Nobody says let's go for a juice break. Oh, let's have a fruit break. Let's grab some coffee. So this is the concept, we have built up over the years, and these words have now manifested. That let's grab a coffee, let's have a pizza. Nobody
Let's
says
go for drinks.
Let's go for drinks. That's another level of discussion. They are smoke breaks. So why is there no walk break? That okay, let's officially let's go for a walk break, or let's go for a juice break. So it's
Juice
the words.
break sounds so boring, no?
Yeah, it sounds. That's the thing. It sounds.
We've never heard it. Maybe you could coin it. Let's go for a juice
break. So that
fresh
is one
juice or tender coconut
Yeah,
break.
exactly. Yeah, that break nobody talks about it. So that is the thing that people around you, and I don't blame them also, right? They have seen this to happen from such a long time.
Yes.
So one at a time will change. Things
कितना
will
दिन
start
लगता है?
changing.
Do you have a ballpark, like from whatever lifestyle I have today to become a vegan, 10 दिन का नीज होगा?
1 महीने की तो कोशिश करिए. Like give your
30
body 30 दिन का तो थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिए फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. बिकॉज आपके मन में बहुत डाउट्स आएंगे, और सबसे पहला डाउट आता है कि मैं वीक हो गई हूँ. Like moment somebody leaves dairy because they have been eating, and moment somebody leaves non-veg, the first thing that comes to their mind, because everybody else will tell you that तू वीक लग रही है, तेरे फेस पे चमक चली गई है, या फिर कुछ तो हो रहा है. So I was like, this happens because
I have, when I try to eat like less and I'm not eating, then people around will say, oh, don't starve yourself.
Yeah.
Like, listen, I'm feeling healthy about
Yeah,
this. I'm
so-
feeling energetic. Don't starve yourself. You're killing yourself.
Right. So all these sentences, they give you a self-doubt that maybe
Yeah.
they are saying correct. And I am wrong. So ये जो सारे thoughts आते हैं तो वो हमें वीक कर देते हैं कि हम मेंटली वीक होने लगते हैं. फिजिकली शायद आप वीक नहीं भी हो रहे होगे, बट आप मेंटली वीक फील करने लगते हो. तो यू नीड टू होल्ड समबडीज हैंड who will give you confidence. Trust me, like, why do you really need a nutritionist? Everything is out there in books. It's out there in Google. Thanks to Chat GPT, आप 2 मिनट में पूरा डाइट प्लान ले सकते हो. उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना इम्पॉसिबल है. वो जो 2 महीने होते हैं ना, टू वॉक दैट जर्नी इज़ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट. आपको सारा आंसर सब जगह से मिला है. लाइक पीपल डू आस्क मी, डू आई नीड अ डाइटिशियन, दिस व्हाट इज़ न्यू दैट यू आर टीचिंग. आई एम नॉट टीचिंग यू, I'm helping you to implement that change, because that's the most difficult part. आपको किसी ना किसी का तो हाथ थामना पड़ेगा, right? Like how do you run a startup? You need a mentor. Everything is out there in the books, on Google, on Chat GPT. It can give you everything how to run a venture, but still you need a mentor.
Yeah.
Because he or she will give you confidence that तुम कर सकते हो. So I need to give that confidence कि आप कर सकते हो. चलो 2 महीने चलो, it will happen.
So you are saying the biggest challenge that people go through is their own mental doubts.
Yeah, and people surrounding
Yeah.
you. There's too much of information out there, and you don't know which one is correct and which one is not. For example, one Google article will say wine is good. The second one will say wine is not good. Now, people who want to drink, they will go and search that article and justify it. Those who don't want to drink, they will search that and justify. But
It's like tea is good, coffee is
yeah,
good, not good.
Right. So there's a lot of chocolate, who wants to eat chocolate? Hey, they will say it's good. Dark chocolate is good, this and that. But then the question is, ask your body what is good for you. And to ask that itself, you need to give time to your body. We don't give time to our bodies. हम इतना भाग रहे हैं ज़िंदगी में. So that's why you said that, okay, are you enjoying? I'm happy here. It took me so many years to come to this place, so let me enjoy the place. So every phase has to be enjoyed. Even when I see, okay, there's a very beautiful thing that I have observed. Because I am a nutritionist, all people will hang around me with the plate full of all kind of food, and then they will talk about healthy eating. So I don't know what to reply, and then they look at my plate. Oh, you only eat this salad, and that's why you are like that. And हमसे तो नहीं होता. तो इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस, इतने सारे डाउट्स.
और नहीं तो दूसरा ये होता है, एक जिंदगी है,
हाँ,
अपने को इतना वो कंट्रोल करके रिस्ट्रिक्ट, एज इफ यू आर डिप्राइविंग, बट यू आर एक्चुअली नॉट डिप्राइविंग.
Trust me, I don't feel hungry with what I eat. I don't feel craving for anything.
Yeah.
Like the best example is this pani puri. I can stand in front of a pani puri wala and not eat it. So people will ask me, how can you resist? No, it's not resistance. It's my own food that I cook gives me so much happiness that I don't feel like eating that. So it's not that I'm trying to pose or, just to maintain myself and all that. It has become a habit now. So it's about building. Initially, you need to hold somebody's hand. Your motivation, determination will work, but after some time that will not work. You need to build it as a habit. So these 2 months where I focus on, it's like I'm building your habit. Once the habit is formed, आपको खाना नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. आप अपना ही खाना search करोगे which would nourish you and your soul.
Katie, why don't you, I see a very nice box you have. Why don't you open it and show us what you have?
So this is Cook Clean, and the tagline which we have kept is consciously nourishing. The whole idea is that nourishment is not 1 day or 2 day thing. You have to continuously and consciously do that thing. So these are the Cook Clean products. So yes, I do talk a lot about diet and all these things, and with that thought only we made these products. The idea was to make these healthy gift hampers also for a lot of corporates, and the whole idea is to promote health and make from basic ingredients. Do not put chemical or preservatives. Like this one is granola. Now here's my card which talks about my weight loss journey and a story in it. And this one is basically granola. Again, they are like rolled oats, steel cut oats, and instant oats. So we have used rolled oats instead of instant oats. This was baked for a good amount of time with all fruits, nuts and seeds and dry fruits being added and berries added. And that's how we have made. There is no chemical, there is no preservative. So all these food products are made like that. And you will get enough, good amount of nutrient. Now this one is baked matri. So in North, we make this matri, which is basically has maida, and it's deep fried. So I have replaced maida with whole wheat and added all the spices, but our Indian spices and not any chemical and preservative, and then baked it.
Wow.
So reducing the amount of oil
You
content.
can keep it down.
Yeah.
Huh?
And then we have this one. Second, this is like trail mix. This has 24 gram of protein.
Wow.
This one pack. So you really don't need those whey protein and all those protein shakes and protein powders.
So you need to have 1 packet a day?
You can see this is like ideally nuts and seeds should be consumed like 30 grams a day. So this packet you can finish in 2 days of time.
Fine.
So that is one thing. So how we see protein is like, don't gulp it in one shot. Over a day, if you're meeting the requirement as per your weight, you will get it. Like for example, this peanut, right? Naturally, peanut butter would have 8 grams of protein. So then 1 tablespoon of it. So then you are getting like in 2 tablespoons, you will get 8 grams of protein.
Wow.
So this is chocolate peanut butter. So instead of those spreads which are present in the market, which has lot of chemicals, we have just put peanut.
Brilliant.
There's no oil, no extra oil. This is the oil which is coming from. And then this one is almond butter. Again, no oil, no extra added oil. It's the oil of the product.
I think we should get some spoon. I want to taste this.
Okay.
Also.
So this is that. And then we have these laddus actually. This have only almond flour and almond butter. There's no oil, there's no ghee. And jaggery to sweeten it.
Wow.
So these are the innovative laddus for which I got incubated in IIMR, the Ragi Laddu, because last year it was International Year of Millets. And this Ragi Laddu doesn't have oil or ghee, it has only ragi, sesame seeds, and peanut butter.
Wow.
So because of this
I want
laddu,
to try this ragi laddu.
Yeah, I got like incubated, then I got funding under RKVY Raftar scheme from Government of India.
Wow.
So-
wow. This is so good. Oh, this is for which you got incubated.
Yes, so this was the laddu for which we got incubated because it was millet and it has sesame seed, it has ragi, it has peanut and jaggery. So what else do you need? And there's no oil. So we are not. Why oil is
This
not
is so
considered
tasty.
good? Thank you. Is because it's again processed. So you can extract from sesame oil from sesame seeds
So
itself.
where do you sell this?
We sell it on our website, which is cookclean.com. Then we sell through Instagram. We will sell through Facebook and WhatsApp. So WhatsApp communities are one of our best revenue channel, sales channel. Why? Because I just don't put that I'm selling this. I share a lot of information. I think that's the way now the startups are moving toward. If you don't add value to a customer's life, then they are not here just to buy them.
These are the products. Do you have more products?
Yes, I have few more products on the shelf. We sell a lot of dry fruits as well. So all these are, of course, there's no chemical, no preservative. These all are plant-based. So there is no animal product being used. So we are sustainable towards the earth, and we are not, doing any cruelty to animals.
I've been feeling I've had sugar craving since last 2-3 days. Now I'm just thinking I'm going to eat this ragi.
Yes. So that's what, like, the whole idea of starting Cook Clean was to solve the problems of mothers and the kids, especially because at 4 o'clock you want to give something healthy and nourishing to your child, and finally, because there are not many options, you'll end up giving them junk food. So what do you put in a tiffin box, right? We have so many tiffin breaks for a kid. And then finally, you can't cook so many meals. So you will end up putting something which is unhealthy. That is why these are good tiffin options for kids, or while you are traveling, while you're coming to office, keep it in your drawer. So that's the whole
And the
concept.
hunger pangs you get during
In
the
between,
day.
yes.
Yeah.
Because 3 meals, I feel still people are conscious about it. The maximum mistake which you make is at that 4 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
That's when we just go,
Berserk.
berserk, and we just
All
eat-
self-control disappears.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Listen, this has been such an honor. Are you looking at expanding into different dimensions, or food will be the base? Because I think you could get into cosmetics. There's so many things that you could get into.
As of now, we are like focusing on food, trying to increase more number of products, like what kids want actually, right? Like when I talk to mothers, there's ketchup, there's mayonnaise, there is pasta, noodles. Now, how do I make them a healthier option is what I need to figure it out. Because of that, there's no availability of clean products. So then parents cannot sit and make a ketchup and a mayo. Only very few would be able to do that. So on a day to day, if we have these options
yeah.
which are clean, then parents would be happy to buy that. So that is the whole thing, that first I need to solve all these things. How I make my products. My daughter is the inspiration and to make these products.
She likes everything? What
She
is her
loves
favorite?
everything till now. So my first product was granola. I started with her only. I started making all these things, and till now she eats granola with the smoothie. That's her thing every single morning. Once in a while, here and there, upma, paratha, all that would also happen. But today morning also, now mango season has come. It's mango and granola.
Yeah.
So the whole idea is that if we start giving good food to kids, they also start changing. They actually don't create fuss. That's another tagline
I
which
think
we
we
see.
make them.
We make them do that. So
Yeah.
she eats it happily.
And she sees her mother also eating
yeah,
healthy.
doing that. So I think we have to inspire them. And the reason I started this is because she loved it. Then when she gets bored of one product, then I have to launch something new. So as she is growing, I have to keep launching new products. So now I can see that there is more interest in mayonnaise and ketchup because everybody else is eating. Can you make something like, can you make pasta, or, I need mayonnaise for the bread. So I have to now, this is the next research that, to keep making things what she wants. So I'm trying to solve my problem first and then.
No, no, this is brilliant in solving your problem. You are solving a lot of people, actually human beings problem, because today this problem, मतलब किसी को ये छोड़ नहीं रहा है ये problem. And we are the diabetes capital of the world. We have the cholesterol rate, heart attacks. सब इतने बढ़ गए हैं, और वो भी इंडिया में. We come from the land of Ayurveda, and we are having all this. I'm so proud, Kirti, that you have Cook Clean, and I'm going on record to say that I will be subscribing. Do you have a subscription of this?
As of now, no, but we would be working towards that. So I am thinking to develop a app, like a AI-enabled platform, which would actually help you to give recommendations that what you should eat. Like I said, there's lack of information, right? So if you're diabetic, you cannot actually eat ragi laddu. Let me openly say, I don't want to sell the product simply. But what you can eat is a dry fruit laddu or a date bite, which we have, because that doesn't have jaggery or sugar. So we would recommend the product based on your lifestyle and the stage of life you are.
No, all the very best to you. As I wrote on LinkedIn that, you are on a mission, and this is very purposeful. It comes from deep within, and it shows. Very, very proud, Kirti Yadav, Cook Clean. And I would recommend everyone to please look at kukclean.com for yourselves, for your children, for everyone around you. And this should be something that we should be gifting rather than, I don't want to name the brands, but all these chocolate brands to everything that we do as gifting. Yeah.
So this has really got a good response in terms of hamper, because a lot of corporates are approaching us, especially during Diwali and all the festivals. Like Holi, we had good hampers going out. Diwali, we have a surge of hampers going out, because I think people are becoming conscious, but there's too much of confusion, and that pulls people back.
Yeah, but no more. We have you as an example, and may your tribe grow. So all the very best, and it was a pleasure talking to you. Just loved it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.